What's going on, YouTube? I just wanted to make a super quick tutorial to show you how to highlight duplicates and to remove duplicates in Microsoft Excel. So to highlight duplicates, you use conditional formatting. So we have here an example of a list of different orders with an order date, a reference number, name of the customer, a item, quantity, cost, and the total amount of the order. And so there are many duplicate values in here. So to find the duplicates, we're going to want to highlight the range that has duplicates, go to the home page, about middle right. It's going to be a tab called conditional formatting. Click that. At the very top it's going to say highlight solo rows, and then highlight over that. At the very bottom it's going to say duplicate values. After you click that, it defaults to highlighting the duplicate values with a red color. And just click OK. And now you can see all of the duplicate values are highlighted. And this is extremely beneficial because it allows you to quickly and easily see which values are duplicates, which values have more than one of them. You can even easily see where entire rows are duplicates. And if you have a lot of data, you can easily quickly and see, what an issue may be, and what may be going on. And this is also beneficial because you can do this to see what values are unique as well. So now to go into deleting duplicate values. It's the same thing on this sheet as on this one. So to do that, you're going to again highlight the values that may have duplicates. Then you're going to want to go to the data tab. And after you go to data tab, and towards the right there's going to be a section called data tools. Then in the middle there's going to be this icon right here to remove duplicates. You're going to click that. And then now it has a list of the rows that, a list of the columns that has duplicates. As you can see, it defaults to clicking the data has headers. So with the headers being the row above the data that is selected. So in this situation, so here you can, so if you want to remove entire rows that are duplicates, as you may want to in this example, you're going to want to have all of them selected. But let's just say, for example, if you wanted to only have duplicates removed in the name, so you only have unique customers, then you select just the name. So let's just say you wanted all of the duplicate rows to be removed. We're going to click all of them, and then click OK. Here you can see it says that no duplicate values are found. So going back to here though, doing the same thing. Data, remove duplicates, having them all selected, click OK. As you can see, it says 2 duplicate values were found, and 31 unique values remained, with the 2 duplicates being the 2 duplicate rows, and then the 31 being the remaining rows that are unique. Let's just say we wanted to do a little bit different and have unique order numbers. As you can see, there are 2 order numbers with 558. And to do the same thing, highlight, remove duplicates, unselect all, and then only do order ref number. Then click OK. As you can see, it removed the duplicate order number. And as you can see, the conditional formatting now shows that it's being unique, so it goes from highlighting red to no highlight at all. So with that being said, I really hope that y'all found this tutorial to be helpful. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, or ideas. Any support is extremely helpful. So if it's done so yet, please subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.